Hey everybody, this is Andrew from TS for Tech. Today I'm going to be taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. And this is the 44mm version in black aluminum. So why I really wanted to get this, other than the fact that it came free with my Samsung S20 Ultra pre-order, is that I have not had a chance to check out the Watch Active 2 series. In the past, I've had a Gear S3, which actually just died recently. I had the black screen of death on that, and I've had it since they first came out, so just decided to go ahead and drop that thing and not use it anymore. And have, for the most part, have been using the Fitbit Versa 2, and I've done a couple videos on this. I do like the Fitbit ecosystem and all of that. It's great, great device. May do another follow-up because I have had some issues with scratches on the screen. That's a whole nother different story. But I wanted to get this and test it out with Samsung Health with the Galaxy S20 Ultra, and here we go. So in this video, I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing. This is not a new device, obviously. It's been out for a while. It's new to me. I have a YouTube channel. Why not make a video? Again, on this video, I probably just do the unboxing and initial first look. Then I'll probably use it over the course of the next week or so, and then kind of do a comparison video between this and the Versa 2 for Fitbit from the different aspects of heart rate tracking, sleep tracking, the Samsung Health experience versus Google, well, I guess it's Google, but the Fitbit experience. Maybe I'll put together a video on that at some point, because people might be interested in that, I guess. But right now, we'll just do a quick unboxing and initial first look. It's almost like they vacuumed this, sealed this thing in the box. So in the top of the box, you get a little information packet here. Obviously, quick start guide. Galaxy Watch Active 2. Now this does have a touch bezel on it, so I don't know if you know that. Then the Gear S3 had kind of that rotating dial where you actually physically rotate the bezel. This has a touch bezel, so it's more just, you know, use your finger or touch and whatnot. It has back button, home power. You can change your watch bands. It says standard 20mm watch band lug, so you can find all sorts of bands on Amazon or wherever for it. You know, a little bit about the navigation, all of that. And then the watch itself just kind of comes in this little thing. As you can see, looks pretty cool. Looks pretty nice. Not too heavy. It's, I would say, let me just check here. It's heavier than the Versa 2, so it's heavier than the Fitbit. About the same size, maybe a little bit, the face is a little rounder, a little bit bigger. It's about the same, potentially this, maybe a little bit taller in height, a little bit heavier than the Versa 2. So let's see on the back, you got your heart rate monitor, I don't know if this is a ceramic back or just a glass, Gorilla Glass potentially. This has GPS, 44mm aluminum case. And this is the medium-large size. Now it has somewhat of like an Apple Band-esque thing where it tucks in, but it's a little bit harder to put on than the Apple Watch Band, because Apple Watch Band just has that little peg and you just pop it on there and then slide it in. This has the whole buckle, so a little bit more, I don't know, it might be a little more sturdy, but it takes a little bit of dexterity to kind of tuck this in there after you actually get it on. But the band itself is nice. You know, same sort of that. I know Apple calls it some sort of floral elastomer or whatever. It's just a nice silicone, right? So this feels very much like the Apple Watch band to me. I don't currently even have an Apple Watch, but when I did, you know, had that same sort of feel to it. So let's probably just turn this on real quick. Wait, actually, that's the back button. I'll turn it on. Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. So give it a little let's go. So I'm going to pair this up with my phone real quick, and then I'll jump back. So for whatever reason, that took like a little bit of time to pair and update the software. So yeah, so what I'm going to do, like I said, I'll use this over the next couple days and next week, and I'll come back with another video, kind of just with an overview of my thoughts on how this is working as compared to potentially the Versa 2, Fitbit Versa 2. So I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, overall, I really do like this. It's a very nice feeling watch. Feels premium. Does not feel cheap. It actually feels more premium than the Versa 2. Feels like more of the quality that you would expect from like the Apple side of things. So like Apple Watch. If I opened this up and somebody told me this was an Apple Watch, yeah, I would believe them. I mean, it's really nicely made, solid, responsive, quick. So overall, definitely digging this after just looking at it here for a few hours in between recording this video. So yeah, so I will, like I said, I'll do a follow-up video at some point, but just want to do this quick unboxing, initial first impressions. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Potentially consider subscribing to the channel. This is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.